Hi, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to explain how to set up your very first website. The best place to buy your very first domain is going to be www.etool.us. In the white text field, type in the domain you think you might like. Try to keep it short and simple. Then click the registration button to the right. The best domain you can have is a .com or a .net or a .us. If the domain that you wanted is not available, try entering a different domain and clicking on the search button. After you find the perfect domain, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the purchase button. Next, a form submission page will appear for you to complete the address and credit card information. Please make sure to check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, and make sure you write down your password information and put it in a safe place. Next, we're going to go to www.etool.us, the home page, and click on the button that says, yes, I want to build my website and get the best deal. Usually you can get a really good price on the website builder itself. So if you're really not techie, this will be a great option and a great solution for you to get started creating your first website. It should only take about 24 hours or less to complete the website builder and web hosting setup, but keep in mind you don't have to do anything on your end. I just want you to be aware that you should be looking for an email confirmation from eTool that gives you your login information and password. After you get that email with your login credentials, you're going to basically be going to a link inside an email, or you can go to the etool.us homepage and scroll to the bottom. There'll be a login link. You're going to click on that link and that will bring you to your cPanel login. Once you get logged into cPanel, you're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for an icon that says Quick Installs. After you click on the Quick Install icon, you can be taken to a page that looks like this. You want to click on the WordPress icon to your left hand side, and then you want to click on Continue. After you complete that, you're going to see a couple different fields that need to be completed and filled in. On the right hand side of your domain, you're going to want to leave that field blank. What we're going to do is install WordPress on our root folder, so unless you want it installed on a different subdomain, just leave that field blank. What you want to do next is click on the Install Now button, and what that's going to do is install WordPress on your main domain, whatever it is, www.yourwebsite.com, and then what's going to happen is you're going to be provided with a user and password information. You're going to want to write that down and keep it in a safe place. As you can see, I already have OptimizePress installed on the website. You're going to want to go to www.optimizepress.com. OptimizePress is a great website for building sales pages, opt-in pages. It's just really easy for you to get started, and that's why I am recommending OptimizePress. I believe it's $97 to get started, and you can install OptimizePress onto 3 websites. It's a really great value just to get started and get your website up and running. The platform's really easy to use. After you purchase the OptimizePress theme, you're going to want to download that to your desktop. Let's go ahead and jump back into our WordPress platform so we can upload OptimizePress to our website. Now that we're back inside WordPress, we're going to go ahead and click on the Appearance tab and then click on Add New. Then we're going to go ahead and upload OptimizePress from our desktop to our platform. You're going to want to go ahead and find where you put the OptimizePress theme on your desktop. It should be in a zip folder. I know it can take some time to find the exact location where you put the OptimizePress theme. The best place to put it is on your desktop. After you find it, you want to go ahead and click on the zip folder for OptimizePress and click Open. I know this process can take a while, but bear with me for a moment. What we're going to do next is go ahead and click the Install button and let OptimizePress install to your website. Okay, so what we're going to do now is go ahead and find the theme setup for OptimizePress. It's going to be on the left-hand side of your navigation. So what we're going to have to do is, before we start creating sales pages and opt-in pages and sales pages and uploading our content, we're going to have to go ahead and do the OptimizePress setup. It's step by step It's really easy, very basic, very simple. So we're going to go ahead and go through that right now. The first thing that we're going to want to do is go ahead and select the theme that we want to use with OptimizePress on our website. And then we're going to go ahead and click on the Save Settings button on the lower right hand corner. Something I want you to keep in mind is when you're setting this up, it may take 3 to 4 seconds between steps. It's just installing the configuration of what we're adding to our website. So another important aspect that I want you to keep in mind is make sure that you go through this process. There's some copyright information that you want to put on your website, plug that in right there. There's also, they have a section for your font sizes, your font colors, so you want to make sure all that is set up as well. Now that the setup is complete, what we're going to do next is create our very first web page. And to do that, I want you to scroll up on the left hand side and click on Pages. And as you can see, I already have the Learn page, so where people can learn about you. You want to create that page. You can click on the Add New Page button on the upper left hand corner. So kind of what I want to do now is kind of go look and see what the theme looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my website, stevejocks.com, and I'm going to kind of look at it, and I suggest that you do the same too. I'll go ahead and click on the Learn tab and make sure the content's laid out the way I want it to look and feel on the website. Again, you're going to want to do that on your website. It is a little bit of a learning curve, but eventually you'll get it. So I hope you made it this far, and if you have any questions, just contact me by email and I'd be glad to help you out. And I look forward to talking with you and going over the training in our next training video.